before watching my video, please take on board a couple of things. You really need a spare keyboard, because you need to, if you want to use your computer while this cleaning process is going on, you need another spare keyboard. And we all know that water and electric do not mix. Although keyboards really are low powered, low tech interfaces, there is, you have to have them unplugged. This isn't a joke. I'm not going to hit it with a hammer at the end. The important thing to do after doing this cleaning using a dishwasher is to let it dry. Don't put it straight away back onto your computer. So this is what happened over the last week when I decided to clean my keyboard using my dishwasher. Right, here's the dishwasher, there's the keyboard, that on the bottom there, that seems to then get the best wash. Right then, it's finished now. Let's have a look and see what we've done. Steamy in here. Let's stand up the camera. No. Let's see. Oh, right. Just got to get rid of the water out of the keyboard. That looks nice and clean. Oh, hey. Now all I've got to do is get it dry. It's full of hot water. Right. Now I'll show you it again in about a week's time. Well, here it is after a week in the airing cupboard to dry out completely, so there's no moisture still left in it, and it's made a really good job. Yeah, it would have taken hours to clean this, getting in amongst all the keys and getting all the grime out and dust and stuff. So the next thing to do is put it back on the computer and see if it still works. Well, here it is. Here's the keyboard. It's all plugged into the PC and there's no problems at the moment. I haven't checked it all yet, but let me just double check the lock lights at the top here. That one works. Non-lock works. Caps lock that works. Let's just have a quick type on here. Yep, that's alright. There you go. Nice little project. It's all nice and clean. Just using my dishwasher and letting it dry in the airing cupboard for a week. I checked it a couple of times and turned it just to make sure there was no trapped water anywhere. So there you go. Thanks very much for watching. I hope might give you an idea to give it a go, but make sure you got a spare keyboard first though. You never know with these things.